Hi everyone, and welcome to CAP100 Introduction to Digital Literacy. When you first get into the course in Canvas, it looks a little different. On the left-hand side, there's really no options except for Home, which is the map, and Modules, which is the traditional modules view. This map actually contains all the information you need for the course. So if you mouse over any one of these companies, it'll give you all of the lessons in that section of the course, as well as any tasks you need to complete and a discussion board to help you with all your questions. The big buttons on the bottom, orientation is where this video is housed, syllabus, that's pretty obvious. If you click on skill list, that'll actually show you the list of the 50 skills that you need to complete by the end of the course. As you probably already know, there's really no grades in this course. You get an A or you don't get an A. And you have as many options to complete those skills as you would like. Another option to look at is if you go under orientation, it'll give you a really good listing, and you can print this out, or your instructor should have given it to you. In the third section here, if you click on the little preview icon, this will show you a table of all of the skills on the left-hand side and all of the tasks that you can complete in order to meet those skills. So a lot of these skills are really simple to do if you're actually just completing the tasks that you've been given. So this is a good one to print out, and that way you can keep track of your own progress throughout the course. Let's actually have a look at a task to complete first of all, and I'll show you what that looks like. So we'll go to the first one. The first one is pretty easy. All it is turning on a computer. So if you click on turning on a computer here, it'll tell you the name of the task, what you're expected to do, how to do it, and where you submit it if you need to submit it at all. Your due date will usually be in here. It's blank here because this is just sort of a template course. And then this is what you want to look at. These are the skills that you need to actually complete for this task. So for example, we need to turn on a computer, so we obviously need to find the power button. We need to log into the computer because we're on a BTC computer. We need to shut down the computer, and then we need to identify the USB port so we can plug in our thumb drives or our USB sticks and things like that. Now, the ratings over here, this is what determines, I guess, what grade you get. So trainer is the highest. All you need to do is hit number 3. That means you can do it, basically. If you're a little unsure and you can't really do it the first time, then your instructor will grade you as an apprentice, and then you can just try it again another day. So the whole idea behind this course is that learning doesn't come the first time. If you make a mistake, then you just learn from that mistake and you try again later. A trainer and programmer are just like, you know this like the back of your hand, and that's awesome. And computer specialist is that you can just do this confidently on your own. Okay, so how to actually check whether or not you've completed these things. So if you go back to Home again, if at any time in the course you're lost, just click on Home and it'll go to that main world map. If you go to Progress, this will take you to the grades for the course. So in this list, it's not really that important, but you can see that most of the assignments are out of 0. That just means there's no points associated with them, but still you get marked off for the skills that are involved in these tasks. Another really useful way to check your progress is this learning mastery, and this makes a heck of a lot more sense. So right here we can see in this module, we can see that we've completed 9 out of 9 outcomes. Outcomes is Canvas's way of saying skills. So all of these were mastered just fine. And this one, there's a red X, so it looks like we need to complete something here. It looks like understand the difference between types of devices wasn't really met, so we need to go back and try something again. And same thing, like web navigation, 4 out of 5 were completed. Navigate to a specific URL is something that we didn't do so hot on, so we just need to practice up on that and then try the task again and let our instructor know that it's ready to go again. So this is how you check your progress in the course. Back on the home screen for the course, if you're more comfortable using the traditional models view, you can actually click on modules on the left-hand side here, and this will show you basically everything that's on that course map, but in a more traditional Canvas view. So you've got your lessons and you've got your quizzes and tasks laid out here. Okay, so that's the orientation to CAP100. I hope you enjoy the course. So when it comes time to give us feedback, be sure to do that so that we can improve upon what we've already built here, and I hope you guys have fun. Thanks.